Are you looking for a powerful, portable, and practical chainsaw? Then the CutMaster is perfect for you. With its rechargeable battery, you can work without cable constraints, and its lightweight design allows you to easily carry it anywhere. Perfect for all your projects, from gardening to repairs. It offers you a clean, precise, and rapid cut. What's more, an exclusive gift awaits you. Delivery in 24 hours and payment upon delivery is available. Buy yours today and take advantage of this offer.